First, we want to think about how computers and coding works. As you know, a computer is a type of machine, and when the computer programmer writes the code, they're instructing the computer on what to do. Just like you might write down a recipe on how to make your favorite sandwich so that your best friend can try to recreate it at home. When you write code, it is important to keep in mind that computers do not have a mind of their own. They will do exactly what the instructions tell them to do, nothing more and nothing less. So when you write code for the computer, you need to be very specific and think through all of the steps. So for instance, if I was going to write code to tell a computer how to make a peanut butter sandwich, I need to tell it where to get the ingredients from. I'd also need to tell it to open the jar of peanut butter by unscrewing it, dip a knife into the jar, and pull the knife out and spread it on the bread. Since it is a computer, I'd have to tell it exactly how many times to move the knife back and forth across the bread to spread the peanut butter. Otherwise, the computer would only do it once. Before we get started on the Make Code website, use your science notebook and see if you can practice writing out some instructions to make a sandwich. Make sure your instructions are as clear as possible and as specific as possible. Then, if you can, try sharing your instructions with a family member or a friend to see if they can follow your sandwich code to make their own sandwich.